today we're out in the garden. It's springtime, or well, almost springtime, not quite. Still getting ready for things to blossom and bud. And so I was going to get some landscaping done while the bushes were still small and while there weren't weeds and everything in the way. Figured I could get it done better. And so I'm going to be unboxing some garden lights that I got today. And they're from Gardenreet. Let's unbox them and show you what we got and then how we're going to set them up in the yard. Okay, so I got the Gardenreet tall post lights. So they've got the little hood on them. You can kind of see how that is. And these are just stake lights, so you just stick them in the ground. Don't have to do any major stuff. But they will come with this solid brass post. And then of course the light base. And these are have the brushed bronze coating, so they're hard metal, so they are very nice on that one. And you will just put your light bulb in and then screw these in. They are waterproof, so I don't have to worry about having them outside here. They come with the O-ring on there to keep the water out, and then when I just tighten these in, make sure you don't cross thread them, that would be bad. So if I ever have to change the light bulb, you'll just unscrew that one, put a new light bulb in, and then these will mount into the ground, and then the light will shine out. And so these are pathway lights, so to kind of give us a little line across this pathway. I do have a little walkway in between my area here, so I'll show you that as I'm setting it up and kind of show you what my design is going to be. But this is the light for now, and so let's get setting that up and running those things and running that wire to the right spot so we can light this place up and make it look beautiful come spring. Oh, putting this in is really super simple. I mean, you can do it anywhere. Dirt, rock, I mean, if you have concrete, a little bit harder, but or stone like this, you wouldn't be able to put it into it. But where I have this gravel here, it's going to be very easy for me to hide the stakes and then just kind of wrap up around it. Make sure that my wire goes all the way out. Pull this in. And it's just a simple matter of screwing it right back down into that base. And there it is.